Hello student, good afternoon to everyone. Now as we have started trigonometry, in trigonometry we have already started with exercise 6.1. In exercise 6.1 we have completed the first 5 question which is the solve question. Then we have started with question number 6. In the question number 6 we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in today's class we will start with question number 5. Now we will try to complete today this exercise. Now here in the question number 5, this is a prove that question. Now in question number 5, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta plus sec theta. Now let us start with this question. Now the question is question number 6, fifth one. So the question is cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Okay, now here in this question, this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Now we will start from our left hand side and finally we have to prove if we are getting cosec theta into sec theta. Let us start the question. In the solution, first we will write down LHS, left hand side, and this is our left hand side, cot theta plus tan theta. Now see, here in this question we are given with the cot and tan, and we supposed to find out sec and cosec and sec. So first what I will do, I will try to convert this one into in terms of sine and cos. Now here cot theta is related to cosec theta upon sine theta, and tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So what I will do, instead of cot theta, I will substitute this, and instead of tan theta, I am going to substitute this. So let us start. So here I am going to write down cos theta upon sin theta. This one. Now here I will substitute this plus sine, then sin theta upon cos theta. Now see the denominator of both the these are the fraction. Now here both the denominators are different, so we will do the cross multiplication. First I will multiply this one with this, then this, and finally this two. So let us have cos into cos, so will become cos square theta plus sine into sine, sine square theta upon this into this, that is sine theta into cos theta. So here in the next step, this is one of the identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what I am going to write down here, that this is going to be 1 upon this one will become sine theta into cos theta. Now see, just for the sake of convenience, I will tell you one basic thing. There is a 1 upon AB is given. Now here this can be written as 1 upon A into 1 upon B, or instead of 1 into we can apply the dot. So this 1 will get multiplied, will get 1, and A into B is the AB. So here this and this both are same. So here similarly this one is, here we have a multiplication. So I will take this one 1 upon sine theta into 1 upon sec theta. So here 1 upon sine theta is a formula of cosec theta. 1 upon sine theta will get converted into what? Cosec theta dot 1 upon sec theta. Sorry, here 1 upon cos theta. It must say 1 upon cos theta. And 1 upon cos theta will get converted into what? Sec theta. And finally this is our right hand side, and here you have to write out hence Here we have completed the question number 5. So whenever we are having such kind of question, so we have to convert each and every term into the sine and cos. Once you will convert into the sine and cos, you will easily get the answer. Let us start with the next question. Now the next question is very MP. It may ask for 3 marks. Now the next question is, let me write down the question on the board. Question number 6. Now the question number 6 is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Now here in this question, this is our left hand side and this one is our right hand side. Now here in this question, I will start from left hand side. Let us see the solution. In the solution, let us write down LHS, which is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. And what we are supposed to find out? Here we are supposed to find out sec theta plus tan theta. Now see that this one. Here in the denominator we have sec theta tan theta. But here as a numerator we have sec theta tan theta. What is the relation? Here we have minus sign, here we have plus sign. Only this is the difference, otherwise everything is going to be same. So what we will do, I supposed to find out this one as a numerator. So here in this question, what I will do, I will write out this one as it is sec theta minus tan theta. Here I am going to multiply. Now see, I want this one as a numerator. So I am going to get the conjugate of this. In the first lecture, I told the word conjugate. Conjugate means what? If I have x minus y, so the conjugate of x minus y is going to be x plus y. Or if I have the x minus x minus y, the conjugate of this one is minus x plus y. We have to only change the middle sign. Once we are changing the middle sign, we will get the conjugate. Now here in this question, so I have to use the conjugate of this. What is the conjugate of this? We have to change this sign. So I will write down here sec theta plus what? Tan theta. Now same thing I have to multiply here in numerator also. Sec theta plus tan theta. Now after multiplying the conjugate of this in numerator and denominator, now see here I got the sec theta plus tan theta as a numerator. Now after getting this one as a numerator, now let us follow the process. So what happened here? We have multiplication sign, so this numerator will get multiplied with 1 and this one is going to multiply with this. So let us see. So numerator will multiply with 1, means we are getting the same thing. Sec theta plus tan theta upon, now we will multiply this too. Now here this is one of the formula, that is a minus b and a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? This is going to be one of the formula, that is a square minus b square. This one I have also told in the first lecture. These are the identities which we have already done in our 8th standard. Now see, here we have sec theta minus tan theta, that is a minus b. This is sec theta plus tan, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. It means what? We are going to write down sec theta the square minus tan square the theta. Now see, sec square theta, tan square theta is related. Now related to this one we have one identity, and that is, now see here I'll show you the identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. What happened? Once I'll take this one to this side, so this will become 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is nothing but what? 1. So here instead of this I am going to substitute 1. Okay. Now see here. So what I will do here? Numerator will remain as it is. upon, this is going to be 1. Here we have to write down reason, since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Transfer this one to that side, that is 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now your identity is over. So what happened here? So anything upon 1 will remain the same thing, that is sec theta plus tan theta, and which is our right hand side, which this is our right hand side, hence it is, hence proved, hence it is proved. Now I forgot to write down here the formula, that is for this step here. Now see, here we are having sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. So here we have to specify, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this step I forgot, that's why I have written here. Now here I have completed the question number 5 and question number 6. So let's start with the next question. The next question is question number 7. Now in the question number 7 there is a small correction. So let me write down the question which is given in the test book, then I will do the correction. Now let me rub this one first. Okay student, let us pay attention for the question number 7. Question number 7 is sec power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So let me write down the question here. Question number 7 is sec power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Let me check the question. Sec power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, now the question is correct. This is given in the test book. This is the question which is given in the test book. So now the correction in the test book is, here instead of sec power 4 theta we should have sine power 4 theta. This is the correction. So here sine power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta is equal to, now we have to prove that 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is one of the most important questions. Now in trigonometry, prove that question, all the prove that questions are important. So you have to do the prove that question very much, very carefully. So let us start with the solution. LHS, that is equal to sine power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta. This is our left hand side, and we are supposed to find out 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Let's start with this question. Now first I will write down this question. I will modify this. Sine square theta the whole square minus, now see here, x power 4 can be also written as x square and the power 2. Now this 2 will get multiplied. What happened? 1 second, this will become 2 2s are 4. So this is going to x power 4. So x power 2 means x power 4. So here this 2 power will get multiplied and will give you the sine power 4. Okay. Similarly, this is going to be cos square theta the power 2. Now let us see this one. As we know, a square minus b square will give us a plus b and a minus b. If I take this one as a whole square and this one as a whole square, and the middle sign is minus only. So what happened here? So here this is going to be a square as it is, b square as it is, a square, b square, and the formula will become like that. अगर power का भी power, लेकिन यहाँ पे power 2 है ना, so what happens? This will give you the formula only, a plus b, a minus b का formula. So here sin square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square. So this will behave as a and this will behave as a b. So what happened here? So here this is going to be sine square theta, this one, plus this is going to be cos square theta, that is equal to, sorry, in the next bracket, first bracket will plus sign and the next bracket with minus, sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now the next step is, here sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So what I am going to write down here, instead of this I am going to write down 1 bracket sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, but here we have to give the reason, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Just because of this, instead of this I have written 1. Now the next step is 1 will get multiplied with this bracket and finally we will get the same thing. So here sine square theta, now see, in the prove that question I don't need sine square, I need only what? Cos square. Here I don't want sine square, so what I will do, I have to remove the sine square. So in the next step, here in the next step, just pay attention. Once again same formula, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so I don't want sine square, so what I will transfer this one to this side. Sorry, I don't want this one, so I will transfer this one to this side. So what happened here? Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now see, instead of sine square theta I am going to substitute 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of sine square theta, what I am going to do, here I am going to substitute this one, and here in the question this will get removed. So let us start with the next step. The next step is 1 will get multiplied with this and will become the same thing, and instead of this I am going to write down 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is equal to, now see, here this is, now see, minus x square and minus x square. This will give you minus 2x square, because here we are having 1 and here we are having 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, and both are having negative sign, that's why the sign will be same, and x square as it is. So in the same manner, in a similar manner, what happens, here we are having 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 ho jayega. This one as it is minus 2 cos square theta, and which is our right hand side. And finally here we will write down hence proved. This is the question number 7, which is only 5 to 6 steps, but it is very IMP, and having so many concepts, identities of 8th standard. Here we are using the identity of 8th standard, then we are using the same formula 2 times. That's why this question is very IMP. So everyone, please note down. Now let us start with the next question. Now the next question is question number 8. Now question number 8 will also ask for 3 marks or 4 marks. So let us see the question number 8. So question number 8 is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. Okay, let me check the question once again. Now student, remember one thing. Board exam is one of the life turning point. So whenever you are solving the paper, so you must be very much alert whenever you are writing the question. You have to recheck the question. Now see what I am doing. Though I have written the question, but I am going to recheck. Now the question is sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to cos square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now the question is correct. Let's start with the proof. Now here in the question, the left hand side is LHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now this is our left hand side. And what we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now see, here in the right hand side we have the term in terms of sin and cos. Sin and cos. Here we have sec and tan. So what we can do? We can change this one in terms of sin and cos. Let us change this one in terms of sin and cos. So here sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta plus this one can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Now student, now see the fractions carefully. Now here in both the fraction the denominator is same. Once the denominator is same, so what I can do, we can add the numerator directly. So here 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta we will write down once. Denominator is same, so we are going to write down the denominator once. Now see the question. What we supposed to find out? Cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Here we are supposed to need here we need this one, but we have 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Almost term same आ गया, खाली ये ऊपर होना चाहिए, ये नीचे, यहाँ का साइन क्या होना चाहिए, माइनस. So what we will do to make this one minus? Now see, I am going to get the conjugate of this. इसका मैं conjugate लूंगा क्योंकि conjugate में देखो ये माइनस हो जाएगा. प्लस का यहाँ प्लस है, इसका प्लस का क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. So what I am going to do here? Here 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta multiplied by conjugate of this. So conjugate का multiplication हमेशा numerator and denominator दोनों में होता है. Here I will write down 1 minus sin theta and here 1 minus sin theta. Here I have multiplied the conjugate of this in both numerator and denominator. So finally we will use the multiplication rule. So here this is going to be multiplied with each other and ये दोनों भी साथ में multiply होगा. So here this will follow a formula a plus b, a minus b. This is 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin. So a plus b, a minus b के जैसे ये follow करेगा. So here 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta bracket 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now the next step is now see, this 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta upon bracket 1 minus sin theta. Now see 1 minus sin square theta, this is one of the identity related to, here I am going to solve somewhere here. Okay, so here this is going to be, now see what I am writing here, equal to upon sin, this one as it is, cos theta 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to, sorry, not equal to, dot dot dot. Now see, here I am giving the reason. First let us see the reason. What is the reason? Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, now here see what we are having here. Here we are having 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means what? I have to transfer this one to this side. So here it will become 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of 1 minus sin square theta, what I can substitute cos square theta. So यहाँ पे इस जगह पे मैं क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकता हूं? I can substitute this. So let us substitute. So here I am going to substitute cos square theta. Now student, pay attention. The most important step. Now here in the numerator and denominator, this is cos square theta. This is cos theta. This is cos square theta. Here this is 2 times. This is 1 time. So this whole will get cancelled with this. इसका 1 time cancel हो जाएगा. And finally we will left with here cos theta. So what happened here? That is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now let us see the in the two proof we supposed to find out this one. ये अपने को यहाँ पे आ चुका है. And finally we will write down this is our right hand side, and hence proved. Now here we have completed one of the most important question, that is question number 8. So here we have finished with the question number 8. Let us see the question number 9. So question number 9 is also very important question. Okay, let me start with the question number 9. So the question number 9 is, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Okay, let me write down given part first and to show that. Here we are, question number 9, we are given with tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. This is our given part. And what we supposed to show that I will write down here. We are supposed to show that you have to prove tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. ये हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. Here we have to show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. So let us start the question from given part. Whatever we are given here, and we have to start. Let us just compare this two. Here we have tan theta, here we have tan square theta. Here we have 1 upon tan theta, here we have 1 upon tan square theta, and that is equal to, only the different part is square. Here we don't have square, and here we are having square. Here we don't have square, here we are having square. So what we will do? We will try to find out square here. यहाँ पे square लाना है, ये पहले अपने को सोचना है. तो square कैसे आएगा? But natural. Here what we are going to do? Since squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Since squaring on both sides, what happened here? Therefore, now see what I will write down: tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta the whole square, that is equal to 2 square. Now the next step is we will do the whole square of this. A plus b the whole square, we all know. First term square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is 2ab plus b the whole square. This is the formula. Same formula we are going to apply here. So your first term square, therefore tan square theta plus 2 into first term, 2 into first term is tan theta into second term, that is 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan, this is the square. So 1 square is 1 and tan square is tan square. So 1 upon tan square theta, that is equal to 2 ka square will be 4. So after squaring, now see the one most important step here. Here in this question, see the middle term. Here tan theta is a numerator and this tan theta is a denominator. So what happened here? This two will get cancelled. So after cancelling, so what happened here? So we will left with tan square theta plus this 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta, that is equal to 4. Now see, this is a number and this is a number, both are number, so both are like terms. So what happens, this will get transferred here. Here we are having positive sign, so this positive sign will change into what, negative sign. So in the next step, tan square theta plus this step, so 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. this इसको मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर किया. So what happened here in the next step, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, and hence now see what I supposed to find out, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2, same thing I got here, and finally here we will write down hence proved. Here we have completed the question number 9. So also very important. So now we have to complete one more question, that is the question number 10. Here the question number 10 is very important and lengthy one. Will ask for 3 marks or 4 marks. Now the question number 10 is, let me write down question first. Tan A, question number 10. Here tan A upon 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan square A plus, here we have cot A upon bracket 1 plus cot square A, and that is equal to sin A into cos A. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Now let us see the question carefully. Here in the first part of the question, this is 1 plus tan square A, and this is the identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what, sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what, cosec square theta. So here both are identity. So instead of 1 plus tan square A, we will write down sec square A. Instead of 1 plus cot square A, we will write down cosec square A. यहाँ पे हम लोग cosec square A लिखेंगे. So let us do this one first. So here in the solution, first we will write down LHS tan A upon 1 plus tan square A plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A. And the next step is tan A upon, this is going to be what? This is going to be sec square A plus cot A upon, this is going to be cosec square A. For here we have to write down the formula for both. Since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So after writing the identity, now see, now we will convert each and every ratio in terms of sine and cos. Now see, this is the main denominator. This is the main denominator. So what I am going to do, I will convert this one into the division sign. First I will convert this tan into what? Sin A upon cos A. This ratio or this denominator, this upon sign will get converted into division. And here 1 upon sec square A. 1 upon sec square will get converted into what? Cos square A plus sine. Same thing here. Cot A means what? Cos A upon sin A divided by 1 upon cosec square A means what? 1 upon sine square A. After converting each and every term in terms of sine and cos, so what we will do? We will can now use now here the division sign will get converted into the multiplication sign. So sine A upon cos A multiplied by, it will become reciprocal, that is cos square A upon 1 plus cos A upon sin A into, this is going to be sin square A upon 1. Now let us see the cancellation part. Now see, this is 1 time, this one is 2 time, this is denominator, this is numerator, so here this will get cancelled with this, 1 इधर का cancel हो जाएगा. Similarly here sin A and sin square A का 1 A, sin A will get cancelled, and finally now see here in the denominator we have 1 and 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, and we will multiply this. So what happened here? Sin A dot cos A plus cos A dot sin A. Extremely sorry, just a minute. Just a minute, student. I have done one mistake, student, please, extremely sorry. Now while writing the question I have done one mistake. There is a small correction here. We are having square. I forgot to write down square here. So let me write down as it is. This is going to be and finally now see here, this will become the square and here also the square, and finally this is going to be power 4. This is going to be power 4 and this one is also going to be power 4. Just a minute. So here it is going to be, now see, here we will left with 3 times, here also we will left with 3 times. So what happened here? This is power 3, this is power 3, and here also we are having power 3. Now see, we will take common. So let us say sine and sine, 1 time sine we will take common, cos 1 time we will take common, bracket में. Now here cos I have taken 1 time common, so I will left with what? Cos square A plus here I will be left with sin square A. Now see, here the sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So here sin A dot cos A is equal, यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, and here we have to write down reason, that is identity, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे मैंने 1 substitute किया, and finally the final answer is sin square A dot cos square A, and that is equal to, see, sin square A plus cos square A. This is our right hand side, and hence proved. It is our last question of this lecture. Here I have completed with question number 10. Now we have left with 2 more questions that we will see in the next class. Okay, now in today's class we have almost completed with the exercise 6.1. So here I am going to stop the lecture. Thank you very much.